Let's quickly draft an email with Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. With the mail open, select Copilot, Draft with Copilot. Maybe we want to send some praise to coworkers. Congratulate the team on the Fabricam product launch and ask how initial numbers look. Choose a tone or length, and then we'll generate. There you go. A first pass from Copilot. Want to see a different result? Just regenerate, and Copilot will come up with another one. Or tell Copilot what to change in the prompt box. Please make it sound a little friendlier. And send it off. When you're happy with the result, select Keep It. Add final edits to make it yours. And this email's ready to send.